Audi A3 automatic locking system deactivation after 15 seconds of driving or 50 km per hour. If you wanted to do that, you need a VCDS. You need to go central conveyance module, then press coding. First, what you always need to do, take photo with this code. If something go wrong, you can go back and start from start. Long coding helper, and there you can see automatic locking from 50 kilometers per hour. Press like this. And there is the new code. Press do it. Check for code. No fault code. That's all.